10 tips for smart traveling. Whether you are an experienced traveler or preparing for your first significant trip, these 10 tips will undoubtedly enhance your travel experience, ensuring it is both smooth and intelligent. Tip 1. Understand local culture, customs, and laws. Before you embark on your journey, take the time to learn about the local culture, customs, and laws of your destination. Research the regulations of the country you are visiting and become familiar with local traditions and practices that may be considered offensive or inappropriate. It's essential to respect local laws, as what is permissible in your home country might be strictly forbidden elsewhere. Additionally, understanding cultural nuances can enrich your interactions with locals and help you avoid misunderstandings. Tip 2. Booking flights and accommodations. Don't solely depend on travel agents for booking flights, accommodations, and activities. Conduct your own research using platforms like Google Flights and Skyscanner to find more affordable flight options. Additionally, utilize websites such as Booking.com to discover accommodations that meet your needs and budget. Consider reading reviews from previous travelers to gauge the quality of your chosen accommodations. Tip 3. Visa requirements. Each country has its own visa requirements for foreign visitors. It is crucial to ascertain whether your passport permits entry into the country without a visa, allows for a visa on arrival, or necessitates that you apply for a visa prior to your trip. Keep in mind that some countries may have specific entry requirements related to health or documentation that you'll need to fulfill before traveling. Tip 4. Check travel advisories and health information. Before diving into the exciting aspects of travel planning, take a moment to consider safety. Your destination may have different health and security conditions compared to your home country. Understanding these differences and preparing accordingly is vital for safe travels. Regularly check travel advisories from reliable sources like government websites to stay informed about any potential risks or safety concerns. Tip 5. Familiarize yourself with local transportation options. Understanding transportation options and maps is an integral part of your travel planning. In some countries, public transport may be more efficient than taxis or rideshare services. Utilize Google Maps to familiarize yourself with the area you are visiting and consider downloading offline maps for convenience. Additionally, look into local transportation apps that can provide real-time updates on schedules and routes. Tip 6. Organize your travel documents. Ensure that your passport remains valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Make copies of essential documents such as your passport, visas, travel insurance policy, and itinerary. It is also wise to keep digital backups of all important documents. Consider using a travel document organizer app to keep everything in one place. Tip 7. Money management. Have a variety of payment methods available, including credit cards, debit cards, some US dollars, and local currency. Avoid exchanging currency at airports due to unfavorable rates. Notify your bank about your travel plans to prevent any issues with card usage abroad. Familiarize yourself with the local currency exchange rates to ensure you are getting a fair deal when exchanging money. Tip 8. Health and safety precautions. Some countries may recommend specific vaccinations prior to travel. Review the health requirements for your destination carefully. Don't forget to pack a small first aid kit in your luggage and consider purchasing travel insurance for added peace of mind. Keep track of local emergency numbers and the location of your embassy while traveling. Store valuables in a hotel safe or use a money belt. Avoid displaying wealth openly, and exercise caution in crowded places by using ATMs located inside banks rather than on the street. Tip 9. Packing tips. Airlines often have strict baggage weight limits, therefore pack light by focusing on essential items and versatile clothing. Use packing cubes to stay organized, opt for travel-sized toiletries, and bring along a reusable water bottle. Remember to pack chargers, a universal power adapter, a travel pillow, an eye mask, and earplugs for a comfortable journey. Additionally, consider packing a lightweight rain jacket or umbrella depending on the climate of your destination. Tip 10. Stay connected while traveling. Many apps on smartphones require internet access. Thus, purchasing a local SIM card at the airport can help you avoid costly roaming fees. Utilize apps for navigation, translation, and local insights. Also explore options like portable Wi-Fi devices if you plan on needing consistent internet access throughout your trip. By following these tips, you can ensure a safe, enjoyable, and memorable travel experience filled with unique adventures and cultural discoveries. We will soon release detailed videos covering each of these tips individually. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in our next videos.